Set her off. Hup, hup. Warrior. Winner. Workout. Stretching out that hamstring right here. Woo. Crunching that gut right there. You got it. Woo. 2 more. Last one. Inhale. Feels so good on a Saturday. Woo. Last set. Inhale. Recover. You got this. All right, VIPs. Never gonna give up. When you give up, it's game over. Get this long bar or easy curl bar or even dumbbells. On your mark. Get set. Woo! Deep inhale. Let her go. Up. Keeping that arch in the back. Squat lower. Bend your hamstrings if you can. Up. Yes. Push through the heels. Woo. People fail because they quit. You're worth it. Last one. Up. Woo. Victory. Put it down. Oh yeah. All right, last set of burpees. Let's do it. On your mark.